doing more naughty things, right? Yeah. Well, how about today? Ooh, since we're at my siblings' high school, I am going to pull the fire alarm. The fire alarm? The fire alarm? That's a little bit extreme. Exactly, that's exactly what I said. Come on, it's not that bad. Sure, be a little crazy, but I think it's a good prank. I might get really in trouble for that. Well, we get to lead the field trip, and it's something I can prove to you guys that I am one of the bad girls. Come on, let's wait out here until the teacher is done doing attendance. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can't deal with this anymore. Teacher left, and now we have to get a substitute teacher. Oh my gosh. And everyone decided to go to, my classmates decided to go to the restroom. Hi. Hey. Dude, the substitute teacher's probably gonna come, and I have a feeling it's gonna be the mean one. Well, you haven't talked to me all day about my hair. Well, I'm sorry, I'm just a little confused. My brothers did it. Hey, you and Jules talking, or yeah, we're talking. Dorian, yeah, we're talking. Well, why are you talking right now? Well, I don't know what she's doing. Want me to ask her? No, dude, just leave her be. Well, I'm gonna go ask her. Dude! Oh my gosh, I swear. Yeah, she gave you this note and this pencil. Wait, it's my pencil. Did she steal or something? I don't know, but here. Pass a note. Oh my gosh, I swear you're not, dude, you're not the teacher. Well, whatever. Check this note. Let's see what this says. Hi, beautiful. Oh, it's cute. And you said hi, pretty. Oh, flirting, aren't you two? My gosh. I swear, if you do the same thing you did on Monday, I swear I'm gonna kill you. But, oh my, don't kill me. What did I do to you? Sorry, don't get the look. Seriously, what did I do to you? What did I do to you two? Sorry. I think I hear footsteps. Guys, I think it's that mean substitute teacher. Wait, Jules, can you please say something? Oh, sorry. I was focusing on something. On what? Nothing. The world. Baby, okay? Oh my gosh, you guys are calling to her babe? This is just me and her talk. Sorry. I'll leave you to, not girls, cause sorry, I know, Riley, you're not a girl. Sorry. I mean, you two people alone. Which I know lovebirds, my gosh. Jules, everything okay? Yeah, it's just, she's been annoying lately. Well, just, you don't have to be so embarrassed about it. well, I just, like, I knew feel embarrassing me, but, or scaring me or whatever, but I'm letting you know, like, you can't embarrass me. You can always make me blush when you do something which you call stupid. Actually, I call it cute. Thanks. Now, let's wait until the substitute goes into it. Let's sit down before the substitute comes. How are you even gonna do it? Because we're in here for I don't even know how long. Well, I'll figure it out. Well, do you know what she's going to say? She's gonna say if we have to use the bathroom, we're in here the entire time. I know. But I'll think away, okay, guys? Alright. Feelings. Just do it. I know, I'm sorry. Just a little nervous. Embarrassing. Stop feeling nervous, okay? I really like you. Okay? And we're dating, and we had our first kiss the other day, so really, like, just, okay, don't have to finish, but whatever. Boo. Oh my gosh! Aubrey, you scared me. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh, hey, Aubrey. Hey, Jules. So, are you guys gonna go to the cafeteria or what? Well, I forgot to pack my lunch. Same. I didn't pack my lunch because my dad was trying to give me these crusty, dusty. Why do you always like to? I don't know. These frosty, dusty sandwiches that would look like that come from shoes. Ugh. It's like dirty socks or something. I don't know. So I decided not to have them. So like, should we eat in the cafeteria? Should we go to like the library or? I mean, I kind of want to go in the cafeteria to be honest. All right, let's go. Come on, guys. Gosh, hurry up, guys. Hurry up. Okay, we're coming. Yeah, we're coming. All right, I'll go ask her. Wish me up, girls. Wish me luck. Hey, teacher. Yes. Yes, how can I help you? I have to use the bathroom. I bet you went when you left. Well, I have to use it again. I really have to go. All right. Just here. You probably don't know where it is, so I'll show you where it is, okay? Okay. Well, actually, my sister goes here, and I know exactly where it is. Well, I don't need to get lost, and I'm supposed to show you. All right. But I do have to think, so can you get your way back? Yeah, I can. Come on, let's go. Okay. Alright, spill the tea. What happened with the dog situation? Well, I didn't tell my mom got it yet. Oh, good. Jeez, because she would have grounded you. Well, we did find Bear, and he's fine, but... Yeah, and... Hey, Riley. Yeah, isn't your sister here today for a field trip or something? So I'm gonna... Oh, yeah, she is. Have you seen her yet today? No, because she's, like, I think she's supposed to be in, like, the gymnasium all day. That's why we didn't have to go to, that's why we had to go to a different room and gym. Yeah, I haven't had gym yet today, so do you think I'll be able to skip running around the gym? I think so. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I spilled ketchup all over my shirt. Oh my gosh, shit. Dude, I'll get you some paper towels. Okay, here's paper towels. Oh my gosh, you two are so gay for each other. Okay, and I mean, like
Jules, you're bi, like, you're, like, attracted to, well, I guess anyone that calls on a non-binary term, or, and also women, so, do you, Riley? Lesbian, yeah, I'm lesbian. Yeah, you guys are very gay for each other. Well, you're very straight for that one guy. Ugh, whatever. Wait, is that the fire alarm? Oh my gosh, is it? Oh my gosh, is that the fire alarm? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I get to miss school? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Dude, we need to get inside. Oh my gosh, wait, is that actually true, or is someone actually pulled it or something? I don't care, everyone's running, oh my gosh. We need to go, okay, here. Okay, good. Okay. Come on, dog, come on. Come on, lovebirds, let's go. Come on, we need to run. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I was not. Oh my gosh. Is this the exit door? Yeah, I think so. I think. Yeah. Everyone's running out here, so I think so. Wait. Where's Aubrey? I'm coming. Okay. Gosh, my ears, they hurt so much. Everyone, let's go. Guys, wait! It's not really... they're already leaving. Oh no. Wait, is that my sibling? And their girlfriend? And their friend Aubrey? What is happening? What did I do? Anna, get over here. Come on, go inside. Oh, I'm coming. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, everyone's panicking right now. Like, is this actually a fire? I think I hear the fire truck. Oh my gosh, dude. But at the same time, I feel like this is fake. Like, I feel like this is definitely fake. I feel like it's true, though. Same. Well, I don't believe you two, so how about let's make a bet. A bet? What is it this time, Aubrey? How about if it isn't true, then you two have to kiss. Right here, in this spot, in front of everyone in the school. Oh. And if it is true, then I have to you have to go to that one boy and kiss him right on the lips. You know what? Deal, because I kind of do want to do it. Whatever, deal. Aubrey, are you wearing heels or something? Because why are you taller than this today? Oh yeah, I am. Sorry about that. Excuse me. We need Riley to come here right now. Oh. Me? Yes, you. Come here. Okay. What did you do? Sorry, I didn't mean to. The teacher almost had a panic attack. What? Yeah, you heard me. A full-blown panic attack. You know that guy, Billy? He cried. He never cries. Oh, well, that's okay, I guess. My gosh, dude, you're gonna get so in trouble. Your mom is gonna ground you for life. What? Yeah, you're doomed. Seriously, you actually are doomed. Anna, if it's the last time we see each other, I'm sorry. Guys, stop overreacting. They won't be able to notice. Like, seriously, they won't be able to notice it. Anna, Anna, get over here. Shoot. coming.
Okay. Well, thank you for seeing me. So,
I didn't do anything at all. I'm sorry.
you, Misty. So, it seems like you related to this, to this girl right here, Riley. Correct? I'm sorry to interrupt. Yes, what is it, Riley? I'm trying to speak to your sister. I'm sorry. It's just I'm not really a she anymore. I mean, oh, he, him. No, she, they. No, what? They, them. Whatever. Okay, whatever. I'll say sibling. Will that make you feel better? Whatever. Okay, your sibling relates to this person. Yeah, and you're going on this field trip, and my high school, and you pulled the fire alarm. But the fireman and me checked the security cameras. Oh, and it looks like you pulled the fire alarm. This is big charges, isn't it? Since you are still a child, no one will go to jail or anything, but your mother will have to pay a big fine. But Riley can also pay it. You, Riley, can also pay it off by getting a better grade, because it looks like you're having Fs. I'm not have Fs. Well, your English teacher. If you get good grades on your English thing, then I'll make the pay lower. How does that have to do with anything? Well, I want my students to do the best and to have potential. Besides that, I have already informed your mother, so you guys will be picked up or whatever. Everyone's being picked up right now and stuff. So you guys have to go back out there, tell your friends or whatever. I don't know. Just stay up there until you guys go back inside. Okay? Now, have a good day. Oh, thank you. Whatever. Do not misbehave in high school. Okay? When you actually go to high school. Yes, ma'am. And wait, Riley. Yes. So, we have a new club here, which is an LGBT club. Would you like to join it? No, I don't really have time for clubs. Oh, because are you and Jules a couple by any chance? Because I was just going for the security cameras. I did see this one footage of you blushing at her. Yeah, we are. Okay. Anyway, have a good day. And thanks for not being in my office too much. Of course. Have a good day. Hey, wait. What was that about? What happened? Well, apparently my sister pulled the fire alarm. What? Oh my gosh. I know she was crazy sometimes, but that's insane. Yeah, and everyone's gonna be picked up. Everyone in the school's needs to be picked up or get a home out of here, because they just need everyone to leave because of this crazy thing. Wow, that's insane. Well, apparently because a lot of people are already left after the fire alarm went on when everyone was going outside. So, well, I'll take the city bus. Yeah, I guess I'll take the city bus too. Wait, so since it was fake, fine, we were going to eventually
be more telling about this sweater, so fine. Oh my gosh, I love seeing two couples kiss. It's so wow. Wow, we can't even get a moment. Nope, because I've always been around watching you forever. Oh, so you're stalking. Don't. That's not what I mean. See you guys later. Okay then. My mom's probably gonna pick me up soon, because mom's probably already been alerted about the situation. Yeah. Well, see ya. Wait. Yeah. See ya. See ya. The end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.